Today, we're making a quick, delicious and cheesy pizza omelette. It's packed with flavor and super easy to prepare, so let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, crack 6 eggs. Season with 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, then whisk everything together until well combined. Now, heat a pan over medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Follow it up with 2 tablespoons of butter. As the butter starts to melt, pour in the whisked eggs and let them cook for about a minute. Once the eggs begin to set, add some chopped green and red bell peppers along with some olives for a burst of color and flavor. Now, for that irresistible cheesy touch. Generously cover the omelette with grated cheddar cheese and a sprinkle of thyme for a fragrant finish. Cover the pan, reduce the heat to low, and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. This will allow the cheese to melt beautifully while the eggs cook through perfectly. And there you have it. A cheesy flavorful pizza omelette that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a quick dinner. Enjoy it as is, or pair it with your favorite side. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Heaven's Kitchen. See you in the next recipe.